Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step. In today's lesson, we're diving into all the present tenses. Let's get started. Present simple. First, the present simple tense. We use this to talk about facts, the earth orbits the sun; routines, I study every day; general truths, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius; structure, affirmative, subject base verb, example, he plays football; negative, subject do does not base verb, example, she does not eat meat; question, do does subject base verb, example, do they like pizza; quick tip, he, she, it, don't forget the S. For third person singular, always S or ES to the verb. Present continuous. Next, the present continuous tense. Use this to describe actions happening now, I am speaking to you; temporary actions, she is staying with her grandparents this week; future arrangements, we are meeting at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Common mistakes. Don't use the continuous tense with stative verbs like know, love, or believe. For example, say I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. Now let's talk about the present perfect tense. Use this to show actions with results in the present. I have lost my keys, I still don't have them. Life experiences. She has visited France 3 times. Actions that started in the past and continue now. We have lived here for 5 years. Structure. A subject has have past participle, e.g., he has eaten lunch. Negative. Subject has not past participle, they have not finished. Question. Has have subject past participle, e.g., have you seen this movie? Time markers to use: already, just, yet, ever, never, since, and for. For example, I have already finished my homework, or we have lived here since 2010. Finally, the present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past and are still continuing. They have been studying for hours. Recently finished actions with a focus on the activity. I am tired because I have been running. Quick reminder, for shows duration. I have been reading for 2 hours. Since shows the starting point. She has been playing since 3 p.m. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Here are 3 sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense. 1. She'd a book every evening. Study for the exam since last week. 3. I not finish my homework yet. Pause the video and write your answers in the comments below. Let's see how many of you get them right. Summary. Let's quickly recap. Use the present simple for facts, routines, and general truths. Use the present continuous for ongoing actions, temporary actions, and future plans. Use the present perfect for past actions with present relevance and life experiences. Use the present perfect continuous for ongoing actions that started in the past. Mastering these tenses will help you write and speak more clearly in your IGCSE exams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IGCSE English lessons. See you next time on English Step by Step.